Alright everyone, we've got this serious issue right now. That's why we are conducting this meeting. And our sales are down 20% of this quarter due to the recent product failure. We need to immediate decisions on how to respond this. Let's get it right into it. Miss Rona, what are the operational changes can we make to minimize the losses?
We can adjust the production like to focus on our other successful products while we work on a fix for the defective one. But we need to move quickly. Mr. Arnel, do we have the capacity to scale production on short notice?
Not without overtime and hiring more temporary staff. That increased costs, but it's our best shot. Mr. Kleben, what's the financial impact if we go this route?
If we scale production and hire teams, it will cost up 50% more, but it will stabilize revenue. However, we will need to cut marketing spending to balance it out. Ms. Apares, what is the minimum you can work with?
Cutting marketing will hurt us long term. With the product failure, we're already facing negative publicity. I need resources for damage control. On this dip could get worse. Mr. Darrell, could we be facing legal issues related to the product defect?
Yes, potentially. If customers start filing claims, we need to set aside funds for legal defenses. Ms. Aldea, how many complaints have we received so far?
Too many to ignore. Over 500 complaints in just the last week. Our support staff is overwhelmed. Miss Rona, can we hire additional support staff in short notice?
We can, but hiring and training, it'll take at least 2 weeks. We can also consider offering overtime to current staff, but morale is already low. Mr. Cleven, will be IT infrastructure handled more customer service load?
Actually, we will need to upgrade some systems. It's doable, but I need an increased budget. Otherwise, we'll face system crashes. Miss Dimple, do we have the funds to cover all of this?
Okay, here is the decision. We'll temporarily shift production, cut non-essential marketing, and bring in more customer service representatives. Mr. Cleven, I need you to rework the budget to accommodate this. And Miss Rona, start planning the production and recovery within the next quarter. Any objections? Okay, good. Let's get to work.